Getting stuck for hours in clogged highways can cause congested veins. Cardiologists give us more proof that Metro Manila traffic can be fatal. They say sitting for long hours in a vehicle may cause the narrowing of blood vessels, resulting to peripheral vessel diseases. The most common type is peripheral artery disease or PAD, which develops in the tubes of the body circulation system.
Lalo na pag hindi natin ginagalaw ang legs natin, as much as 4 hours. Pag hindi natin ginalaw ang legs, it promotes stasis. Ibig sabihin, tinatamad gumalaw ang ating venous blood, the blood that is in our veins going back to our heart.
But it's not just those inside vehicles that are in trouble. Beltran says commuters waiting for a ride for extended periods are also at risk. Aside from standing in the same position for a long time, commuters are also exposed to carbon monoxide, which can slow down blood flow.
Normally, ang veins natin is like a tube. It's a normal tube. But once pag nag-dilate na siya, doon na naiipon yung certain pockets ng ating veins na hindi na nakaka-circulate.
Experts say aches in feet and legs are usually mistaken for rheumatism or arthritis, but this may be a sign of PAD. While PAD most commonly affects the elderly, younger age groups may be affected as well, especially those who have high cholesterol levels, suffer from diabetes, smokers, and have a family history of the disease. Serious cases may lead to amputation of the leg. To make matters worse, PAD also increases the risk of coronary artery disease, stroke, and heart attack. Beltran says doing simple leg exercises, whether standing up or sitting down, may help prevent PAD. A lifestyle change of quitting smoking, controlling blood sugar, and eating a healthy diet also reduces risk. There is nothing much we can do about congestion on the roads for now, but we can certainly do something about congestions in our blood vessels. Pia Banalos, CNN Philippines.